Hey everyone, and welcome to Counterbuzz. I'm Greg Rosink, and I'm joined here today by Scott Allison from Hunter Industries. Scott, tell our customers a little bit about what it is that you do here at Hunter Industries.
I'm our web manager here at Hunter. I build our websites, and my team and I spend a lot of time putting product information and resources online. When we're not building product information, we're building out professional tools to help you grow your business.
And so you also built the FX Luminaire site as well, right?
That's right.
You'll see a lot of the similarities that go between Hunter's website and the FX Luminaire website.
That's a great point. We work with a lot of customers and our sales team, and we have an in-house team that build both websites. So that way we have a very consistent experience, and you can find things very easily between the two websites.
Great. So got a great website, but today we're really focusing on talking about professional tools to grow your business. Scott, one of the professional tools that we have here at Hunter Industries is an app called SITEREC. Can you tell us a little bit about what SITEREC is?
SITEREC stands for Site Recommendations. It's a tool that you can use to present product and system recommendations to your clients. It's a free resource from us that you can customize with your business and branding, add products and resources that you offer, remove products and services that you don't offer, and basically use it like a playbook to get to the finish line, which is ultimately closing that sale with your customer.
Awesome. And tell our customers a little bit more about how we can use SITEREC to generate more revenue in our business.
That's a great question. So SITEREC helps you close sales faster by empowering your sales team. You can give this app to any service tech, anybody on your crew, and they can use this marketing material to confidently and consistently sell and talk about your company confidently to your customers.
And if our customers are going to give this tool to their sales force, is it something that's easy to use? Is it something that they can really just pass on to somebody and they can pick it up pretty quick?
Yeah, absolutely. We've designed this tool to be used across many different devices, and it's also a web-based tool. What I mean by web-based is that any device with an internet connection, whether it's a laptop, Android tablet, iPad tablet, or even a customer's phone, you can pull this open. If you have a smart washing machine or a smart TV, you can even pull it up for the best experience and presentation.
Perfect. So kind of goes into that home automation and all the connected technologies that we have today. So it's just another way to use technology to maximize the efficiency of your business.
Exactly.
And now speaking about your business, and our customers probably want to know, is this SITEREC application, is it customizable to their own business?
Yeah, so you can add a story about your company, you can customize images, you can add your logo, your company website, phone number, and you can also add custom services in there. So very easy to use tools. You can drop in images, move things around. So if you wanted to add custom services like hardscaping or lawn care, you can definitely do that.
Awesome, so very customizable, very user-friendly, and the customers, I think, could benefit from using this in their business. I think one of the other questions that we commonly get is, does SITEREC work offline? Do you have to have an internet connection to use SITEREC?
So for our tablets, and that includes both Android and Apple iPads, you can download it for offline use. So you don't have to worry about connecting to your customer's Wi-Fi.
Oh, wonderful. So this is something that you can take with you even into remote locations and use this tool to maximize the efficiency, maximize the potential of your business, and customize it that way.
That's right. For offline mode, all of the images and built-in videos will be downloaded. So yeah, you can definitely pull those open as needed.
Sounds like a great tool that our customers can really benefit from. Another tool that we have here at Hunter Industries is MyList. Can you tell us a little bit more about what MyList is?
MyList is a resource on the FX Luminaire website where you can specify different lighting products, whether it be fixtures, accessories, or controllers, and add them to a running list. So as you're creating your project, designing your lighting landscape, you can have your own customized web page full of resources, whether it be spec sheets, photometrics, or installation details, all on one page.
Now, is this a tool that's specifically for contractors, or would specifiers benefit from this? Homeowners, any other people that might be in the industry looking for landscape lighting?
What this tool does really well is it helps you communicate your lighting design plans. By adding all the different products, as a contractor, I can send that over to my distributor and ask to order these products. As a distributor, I could have a list of my inventory, or I could have lighting demo setup and identify all those products on the different corners of the lighting demo, and have that next to the lighting demo on a computer station, for example. And basically it's all about communication. Easy to share and easy to document your projects.
Wow, so it's really a versatile tool for the entire market, essentially. Is this another one of those things that's easy to use?
It is very easy to use, yeah. So with point-and-click simplicity, go to one of our product web pages on fxl.com and just select your options. The benefit really of our interactive spec builder, is that you can't specify an invalid part number. So all the rules are built in there, so you can, if you select a ZDC, integrated LED board, for example, it won't let you select an incorrect number of LEDs.
Wow, so this is actually guiding you through the process, essentially almost of specifying a lighting system, giving you the tools that you need, making recommendations to you that can help you go through the process of designing a lighting system.
MyList is a tool that can help clear up any confusion about the ordering process, just really simplifying that whole process.
Okay, now can you save some of the sites that you've set up? You were talking about putting stuff into a list. Can you save some of these projects that you're working on to come back to later?
That's a great question. Yeah, you can definitely log in anytime and view all of your lists on one page. It'll always be there available to you. So anytime you need to come back to it, whether a customer calls you up 6 months later and asks for that next phase of the project, you can always pull that web page back up and send that off to your distributor.
Wow, okay, so if I'm gonna get on MyList and I'm gonna start creating a project and I wanna save it, how do I create an account or whatever I need to do to save that project for later to come back to?
Yeah, it's very easy to do that as well. At the top right corner of any of our websites, you'll see a login link. Just hit that button and you'll be taken to a website where you can log in or sign up for a new account. The account's completely free and you'll unlock dozens of services from Hunter Industries.
So I'm hearing a lot of what our customers want is what is going into these applications and these web tools and stuff. How do we get the information from our customers to develop these tools the way that it's going to, best be utilized for their business and their needs?
Yeah, so MyList and SITEREC are just two of the free tools available from Hunter, and a lot of the features built in there are from feedback from customers like you. Using the feedback tab, the button on the right side of any one of our web pages, you can submit ideas and suggestions straight to the web team here at Hunter.
Wow. So what kind of good feedback have you gotten from the SITEREC, or from SITEREC and from MyList?
From SITEREC, we have the ability to send a price quote with our recommendations. So after you've completed the checklist and entered a little bit about the customer, whether their name, email address, you can also enter in a price quote for the job or the service. And then you can email that off to the customer.
Wow.
For MyList, one of the useful features is that you can see one of the useful features is that you can see a drag and drop tool to actually move things around on the screen. So you can save the order of your list, whether or not you want your controller or transformer at the top, or you want the order of the list to match CAD legend or a plan.
Because price-wise, the transformer can be one of the most expensive things on the project. So you might not want to have that listed first for the customer, because that could be the shocking point, right?
Well, it just helps make sure that everything is exactly the way you want it. We like to listen to our customers and implement all their feedback so that we can make sure that it's a useful and friendly user experience.
Awesome. And then MyList being accessible for FX Luminaire, is that something that'll be accessible for the irrigation side of the business on Hunter Industries?
That's a good question as well. Stay tuned. We'll have more information on that in the coming months.
Okay, nice little teaser there. So I think to come full circle, we've talked about all these great professional tools to grow your business, and I can't thank you enough for stopping by and helping our customers better understand the tools that are available to them to help grow their business and be successful. So thanks for stopping by, Scott.
Yeah, absolutely.
And thank you guys for stopping by. It's always great to have you here, and we'll see you on the next episode of Counterbuzz.